My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2015 BMW X4 M Sport Edition. This vehicle has done just under 70,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the screen we can access navigation, telephone, radio and multimedia, as well as contacts, connected drive, vehicle information and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. The X4 also comes with 3 different driving modes to choose from. So we have Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that it has a full leather interior. Get a good view of the sunroof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.